Hello guys, good evening. So I will make a video to the person who's really upset to me and I don't know. I will tell you this, that video is not for you. I'm sure it's not for you. Why you get reacted and talking about my life and about my friendship there like that? Do you know that I post that one because there's someone want borrow money of me because I have a foreigner. So what I did, I post that one. I call myself as a hokera because you call me always like that. And why you get upset? I don't get a point. Why you get upset that I'm not the one calling you hokera? I'm the one call myself Hokokera and it's not for you. Can you think yourself? Think before you talk. I don't have right to make a joke there. I don't have right to post something. Especially don't have name of you. What is my post there? Is my post like that? I don't have money. I'm poor also. I'm poor. I'm a hokokera, but I don't have money also. I'm just a poor hokokera. Why you get upset? I call myself hokokera because you're the one called me that one, and now you get upset. And you talking about shit about me in your life. I really don't know that you talk about me. I'm just busy here doing my things, and now you get upset. I'm just so it and listening to you know, the other account that upload your bullshit. So now it's time to react that I'm not talking about you. I can prove you that I'm not talking about you because there's someone text me. Then the one text me is not here in what you call that YouTube. It's a friend of me. It's a classmate of me, and now you reacted like that. I don't know what's going on to your life. Why you always think if I post you are the one? You are not the only one person in the world that I get involved. I get what you call that? Why I post that one? It's because a lot of people want borrow money of me because I have a foreigner. They think that I'm rich because I have a foreigner. I have a foreigner, but our money is enough for us, and you know that. So what I did when she talking about that to me, so I don't reply, but I'm just enjoying make a video that calling me myself Hokokera. And why you get upset? Because you are the one calling me that one, you are guilty. You're not involved. You're not involved with this joke. And when I do that, I'm not thinking about you. Why I'm thinking about you? Did I get a salary from you? Did I get money from you? Nothing. But why? You keep talking about me every time you see a post. You. You're what you call that. Why you don't speak the name? So make it straight. If you are really, really brave. This is my answer to you. That's not you. And I can prove it. And why you get mad of me that I don't do nothing to you? Calling me criminal? Did I kill you? Did I do something to you, to your life? Nothing. We have already agreement and you keep bullshitting me. You are what you call that? You are an idiot. I have a happy life here, not like you living in your house. I don't know if you have a food to eat. Proud that you go out, but we cannot see you go out. Where are you? Living in your house? Hiding? Get out so the people know that you are go outside with your boyfriend. Not like I'm with my boyfriend but posting only the video. No boyfriend. Are you delusional? Why you upset of me? When I posting something, you upset of me. Why I don't have right to post? That I'm not talking about you? I have freedom to post. Pakawaw lang ka, day. Dili ikaw. When I post that one, I'm not thinking about you. I'm thinking the person who just want to borrow money from me. I don't have money. Hukukira lang ko, pero ako'y kwarta. Kasi nagtawag na ko hukukira, di ba ikaw? Hukukira lang ko, pero ako'y kwarta. Kaya nasi mo huna-huna ka ng hukhuk ko. Di ba muna mong tawag na ko hukukira? Ika nagnganak ko, ana. Muna nahimo ng hukukira, kaya ikay nagsibalik-balik, ana. Karon masuko ka? Ano masuko man ka? Ikaw magsikagyaw-yaw. Ako kabaw. Nagyaw-yaw ba kag wala na na-post niya? Ako kabaw. Kaya ako maminaw simulan, kay busy ko. Start sa Friday, magkuhan mi. Mag-Bible study. Ni kasabado. Mag-go out sa taon mi, mag-Bible study. Ni Domingo, mag-church. 3 days ko, walay kuhan na. Pero ikaw, magsikagyaw-yaw na ako. Sikag pandaot na ako. Tawag-tawagon ba ko ng kriminal? Sige lang, tawag ako kriminal kay magkita lagi dunya ta. Magkita lagi dunya ta timan ina. Ayaw palabig papakauwaw nako. O sige lang, tawagon ko ni mo kriminal kay wa man pud ko naghubog. Wa man ko naghatag-hatag picture sa mga tawo nga hubog para lang makakwarta. Ako na i-post ang iyang message diha nga muna akong kabuangan og joke-joke diha. Dili ikaw kung hindi ka magpa-trigger og tao eh. For how many months nasikag pa-trigger na ako. Naminaw ra ko, katawa ra ko. Pero karon di na pwede. Kaya ngano, dili ikaw akong giminana pero lagot ka nako. Sikag yaw-yaw, sikag pa-trigger ng mga tao. Meron ba magpa-trigger og kuan? Kanang dili ta busy. Nya busy ba yaten hibong na lang tanan ay post. Noon sa kaoy, asa na mo utok? Masakitan kag buwang ko hukukira, di ba mo na imong tawag na ako? Kalipay na lang ako mismo tawag ko hukukira sa kong kagalingon. Kaya ay naman sad nga wala ko gihukom. Kung ano masakitan man kag na ako mga friend. Oh, umaunsa ko na wala akong mga friend. Kay baon ako ana, di ko parehan nimo magamit og tao. Gigamit ra pud ko nimo sa una. Paluy-luoy pa ka. Ikaw dahil grabe kay mamimiktimag tao, grabe kay maglukdog tao. Nagbaslan ka, ikaw ang biktima. Huna-huna ah. Natay kasuwatan, ako nagtamod ko anak pero ikaw wala kay respeto. Sige lang, kay kanangan nimong gipang buhat nimo nako. Nana sa abogado tanan. Nako gipang sen sa abogado para makahabaw ka. Pero timan nilang gyud, ayaw kog puna. Ayaw kog puna. Pagrespeto po sa tong kasuwatan. Dili kay magsikag panguan nako. Ako napakalamilom nako diri. Mga kang kriminal gyud sa tabi ka gipatay ta ka. Gilaptan ta ka diha. Dismiss na ng kaso. Nana imo pa nang balik-balikon, imo pa man gibadilius mga tao. Imo pa man kung pag-awawan. Wa pa Japon ka mahuman na imong kabuang? Wa pa ka kamug-on na kung sa imong mga problema sa mga tao, imo pa og apil-apil? Paghilom diha. Wa jud kay kuan. Munang manginana ka kay imong kinabuhi walay kabisihan. Pag bisi-bisi po diha para dili ka maghuna-huna nga akong gipangsulti ikaw akong giigo. Mahibong na lang tanimo nga mo answer ka nako nga dili man ikaw kung gitumong ana. Og hukukira ako na gitawag og hukukira dili ikaw. Nang masuko man ka nga mo man imong gitawag nako. Grabe po ka. May bungo to gawin sa taday ka. Nang sa kaasa ka na silo. Muna to nakibahon ako atong nakatanto ko sa video ha. Nahuwam na kong kwarta. Nya kahibaw kong kang nagpabalay mi. Muto ako nilang reply ginato. Kabuangan na lang kong reply. Kay daghan pong mga tao di ra pud siya nagingon nako daghan. Munang alang magpadato-dato ko bisag dato. Ingon lang nako, hukukira ko, wakoy kwarta. Oh. Di pa ka malipayan na, maniangkon kong hukukira ko. Bisag wala ko ng bukhok. Kasakit man nimo. Sige ka pang spice akong kinabuhi no. Mayroon na ka nga laing tao. Nga ikaw dito. Nga naman po mong laing tao magbantay na ako. Gansan ako sila. Sinuduan na nimo. Pwes, ina naman sinuduan. Nga, ipakuwag dili siya mahipawag kisa na sisulti-sulti diha. Kaya ako pakialam sa mong kinabuhi. Magunsa ka, maglulo ba ka diya? Magunsa ka, o labot. Naay ko hilabte.